Professor Abba Brown, and the class is Confronting Oppression and Injustice. So I'm going to talk about a critical concept that is going to be part of Confronting Oppression and Injustice called intersectionality. You'll see that on my slide I have a picture of glasses with multiple lenses, and these are glasses actually that were in the film National Treasure starring Nicolas Cage, and they were known as Benjamin Franklin's reading glasses. And each of these lenses allowed the viewer to see a different aspect of what was happening on the page based on the kind of ink that was used. In many ways, I think that this is a perfect example of what intersectionality means to us as individuals and how intersectionality plays out in society. Intersectionality refers to the multiple identities that each of us have inside of us, as well as the multiple issues that engage in a particular problem or situation. So as an intersectional individual, I am a woman, I am a mother, I am a wife, I am an activist, I am an intellectual, and I am from Texas, right? Those are just a number of the intersections of my lived experience that exists that form and shape my view. There is not a circumstance where one individual singularly understands the world based on only one aspect of themselves. And so intersectionality acknowledges that people are complex, communities are complex, society is complex, and even more so relevant for the anti-oppressive practitioner, problems are very complex. As you can see by this slide, our intersections can be influenced by a number of things. Most relevant in society, not most relevant, but most obvious in society are the things that we can visually see about each other, which lead us to the assumptions that we can make about one another. And so it's very important as we look at intersectionality through anti-oppressive practice that we recognize for whomever we are working with as social work practitioners, they are a combination of a multitude of lenses and experiences that shape the way that they understand and view themselves and the world. Likewise, as we look to address social problems, oftentimes one problem does not just have one solution. We must look at intersectional approaches to addressing social problems as well as individual and family level interventions. This is key in anti-oppressive practice.